Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this DevExpress custom component section, we are going to do our second component, the CalcEdit. Previously, as we know that we have created my button edit, our custom component, but this time I will create a CalcEdit. Let's first check it. What is the CalcEdit? CalcEdit is simply calculator. This is very good when we calculate money or anything. Is really useful. Let's first run it. As you see, that is like a calculator. If I say I can make some calculation, as you see, that is number. But here I will make some modification as we did previously. I will change the back color. And here we have a separator, but I want to put a precision after these dots, like a 2-digit, like this. I want to do it. And beside this, I just want to make sure, like when we leave this, because as a custom, for example, if I delete this one, let's see. Usually, for example, this we have allow null options, but this is set to true. I will just show you because if we don't write anything here, if we just jump it, still we will have a 0 here. It will not be null. It will be 0. So let's create our custom CalcEdit from Solution Explorer. From components, I right click here, add and class, and I might write my CalcEdit. As previously, first we set that this is a public, and then since it is a CalcEdit, we have to inherit from the CalcEdit. Now this is my CalcEdit, got all properties, methods, and fields from the CalcEdit. So also here we have an attribute in order to show in toolbox. It was toolbox item, and then we say it's true to show here. If you set as false, it will not show here. And now if you want to change our CalcEdit, like a modified, our custom, we have to go to constructions. And now we'll change our modification. As we said previously, from properties, and then if you want to change the back color, when we focus on our component, we want to change the back color of it to as a light cyan. And from properties, appearance focus, and then back color, and then I will say light cyan. This is first. Secondly, I told, for example, we have a property. It called allow null edit. I have to set I have to set it false because I have to set it false. Let's see, it is false. Actually, this one as a default. It is false, but still I just want to show you. Here, for example, if we set it false, if we write a number and delete completely, still a 0, it stays there because it cannot be null. So this is like this. And the third one, we want to, as I told, we want to make a mask, for example. Here we say, if we write our number, as you see that there is separator every 3 digits, and then there is no precision. I want to add a precision. But before, if I click here and I come change mask, as you see that all of this mask type is numeric. So first I will set my mask type as a numeric, and then I will just change according what I said, like with separator and 2 precision. So let's come here and say properties, and then mask, and then here we have a mask type. Here on mask type, I say we'll choose a numeric. When we come here, as you see that it gives us as a enumeration. We'll choose a numeric, this one. And then I said I will change my mask type, and we say mask type, we change it. Properties, mask. Here we have a property, it called mask, edit mask, this one. Let's choose this one. And here it gets and set as a string, so we have to come here and write what we want. So if I write n, it is the same exactly as numeric, but without precision. It will be like this, for example. Let's see. If I write n, means that is like this. 1, 3, 8, and then 2, 3, something like this. But what we want to do in the end, we want to put like a precision, for example, like this, 2 digits. So in order to do that, we'll just to n, we'll just write 2. If you write 1, we'll have 1 precision. It will be like this. But if you want 2 precision. And this we have done with our mask. And now, as we did previously, when we enter our component, when we focus and enter it, it will move to the next component. I will say override, enter, move next control, and I will set this one as a true. So now, first let's build it and let's check it what we have done it. Control Shift B, I build it and I come here, and this is default one, and let's look for ours. Ours was my CalcEdit, and I just set it here. Let's run it and see it. As you see that I focus this one, for example, I make some calculation here. There is no precision, it's just a separator, and when I focus it, the back color doesn't change. The moment I click this one, as you see that our custom components back color has changed. And let's calculate, for example, let's calculate a big digits here. As you see that we have separated and with 2 precision. This is like this, you see. And also, for example, when I enter, because we have enter, move next control, it should go to the temp. As you see, that is also moving. This is simply like this, because we said that, for example, we might use this CalcEdit. If you have a project with many calculations, you might use this CalcEdit in many times, maybe 50, maybe 60. So we don't have to go each time we move it from like a default. We have to go to change like a back color, or allow null edit, allow null input, and then mask type and edit mask, and then enter, move next control. It will take really a lot of time. So that's why I think the big companies, they do like this. And let's see it again here. It's quite useful, that CalcEdit. So let's close this one. Let's make calculation again. See, with the precision we have it. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please, if you like it, subscribe my channel. See you next video.